remember growing up just down the street from my grandparents' house. In the corner, there was a 1966 Magnavox Astrosonic hi-fi stereo. We begged my grandpa to come over and put records on. That memory still sticks with me today, but that is the focal point and centerpiece of most of the work. Music is definitely super important to my day-to-day. When I wake up till I go to bed, I basically have music on the whole time. I'm taking that energy that I'm listening to, transforming it through my body, through the brush, placing it onto that canvas. And then when I'm looking at the finished canvas, it's, talking back to me, and now I'm listening. When I'm painting, things are happening so fast that, you have to make a decision and move on. When you're this close to a canvas all day for months, you just learn to kind of adapt yourself mentally to making quick decisions based on color and patterns. I'm creating a world that I want to live in. When the viewer and someone looks at that canvas and everything that I put into it, my life and all of my energy, I want them to feel alive inside also. I'm super excited to showcase my largest exhibition to date with 29 works with Maddox Gallery at their Westbourne Grove location in London, England.